started with the collection mixing, as always, the fusion of the Italianness. Then I brought up some of my heritage from Ireland, which is brought up in the knitwear, and then added these kind of textures and techniques to create something that's modern, cozy, soft, but at the end of the day desirable, I guess, is what I'm aiming for. You start with a colour, and I started with a pink, which is kind of out of bounds for me normally. But as the collection develops, especially with knitwear, the yarns combine and they create new colours. So there was a freedom in it as well as a kind of focus. So part of the collection develops with a freedom, and then some colours are very definite. This collection was quite free in a way, and it was about experimenting with techniques and creating something that felt fresh and heritage in the same time. I thought she had that great edge of contrast of masculine and femininity, and then just, if they cool, great energy, lovely attitude, she wants to do the show. It's a lot about our energy, but I don't do everything on my own either. I have an amazing styling team, music team, design team, but we all came up with the concept of the music together, and I think the music can just put a different spin on how the collection and really take you somewhere. So the collection, the music is soft as well. It has Lee Hazelwood and Nancy Sinatra mixed with an old gold-frapped soul, and then a little bit of a True Detective music at the start, and the Santa Maria sound system just got it straight away and they worked on it, so I was really happy with it. Hi FashionTV, it's James at Iceberg.